Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Beautiful Moments, and this is a sweet little card we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Beautiful Moments, and we're going to be using this little lady right here, and You're Someone's Blessing. So first, I have a piece of Very Vanilla. And I went ahead and made this very vanilla thick. You don't have to because we're going to emboss, but I decided because our card base is also very vanilla thick, I could just use a piece of that. I'm going to take my embossing buddy and get any kind of fibers and dust out of there. All right, I have a regular sheet of paper, and I'm going to come in with my Versamark. And what I did was I mounted both the lady and the sentiment on clear block E. And to get it where I wanted it, I put it the opposite way and fit it on the cardstock. All right, so just like that. Now I'm going to come in with my copper embossing powder. All right, put this back in our container. And I'm going to come in with my heat tool. I'm going to give it a minute to warm up. And when you're embossing, you don't want to just leave it in one spot. You want to really move it around so it doesn't burn the paper. Let me bring it up so you can see a little bit better. All right. So I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. And I have my blue embossing plate for my 3D folders. And I have the Parisian Flourish. And I have a piece of copper embossing, or copper foil sheets. And I'm just going to kind of put it there in the center. And put that. And you can also, if you are embossing like on regular cardstock, you can spritz it with some water. That will make the image more impressed. Okay, so just like that. And like I said, our card base is very vanilla, thick, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So I'm just going to come in with my snail adhesive. Just like that. It's going to make a nice little border. All right, and I'm just going to give it a rub down. So just like that. Oops. Next, I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And I'm going to put 3 on the sides here. And then 2 in the middle, just because the embossing powder sometimes it makes it a little bit heavier. I want to make sure that it doesn't sag in the middle. All right, so just like that. Next, I think I'm going to come in with my champagne rhinestones. And let's see, I like using these tiny ones. And right now, these are on back order, but they will be back before you know it. And remember, it's also a celebration, so with every $50 purchase, you get to choose a free item. The $100 purchase, you get to choose special items. And we are still having the join my team for $100 or $99, and then you get the $125 worth of merchandise and plus some bonuses. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!